Welcome back to another day at Topcast. Today we are going to talk about the art of nurturing relationships and fostering meaningful connections in various aspects of life. With 10 main points, each offering detailed insights and actionable tips, we'll look into the intricacies of building strong bonds, fostering trust, and cultivating mutual respect in relationships. So let's get started. Communication is key. Communication is the cornerstone of healthy relationships. Cultivate open and honest dialogue, actively listen to others' perspectives, and express yourself clearly and respectfully. Practice effective communication skills, such as using I statements, asking clarifying questions, and acknowledging emotions. By prioritizing clear and empathetic communication, you can foster understanding, trust, and connection in your relationships, leading to deeper and more fulfilling connections. Prioritize quality time together. Prioritizing quality time together is essential for nurturing relationships. Make a conscious effort to carve out dedicated moments for meaningful interactions and shared experiences. Disconnect from distractions and focus on being fully present with your loved ones. Whether it's enjoying a meal together, engaging in activities you both enjoy, or simply having heartfelt conversations, prioritizing quality time strengthens bonds and fosters deeper connections. Practice empathy and understanding. Practice empathy and understanding to foster deeper connections in relationships. Take the time to truly listen to others' perspectives and validate their feelings. Put yourself in their shoes, seeking to understand their experiences and emotions without judgment. Cultivating empathy builds trust, strengthens bonds, and creates a supportive environment where individuals feel valued and understood. Nurturing harmonious relationships built on compassion and mutual respect. Show appreciation and gratitude. Showing appreciation and gratitude strengthens bonds and fosters positivity in relationships. Take time to acknowledge the efforts and contributions of others, whether through verbal expressions of thanks, handwritten notes, or thoughtful gestures. Cultivate a habit of gratitude by regularly reflecting on the blessings in your life and expressing appreciation for the people who enrich it. Genuine expressions of gratitude create a culture of kindness and deepen connections with others. Set boundaries and respect each other's needs. Setting boundaries and respecting each other's needs is crucial for maintaining healthy relationships. Clearly communicate your boundaries and expectations while also being receptive to your partners. Respect their autonomy and honor their limits without judgment. Establishing and upholding boundaries fosters mutual respect, trust, and understanding, creating a safe and supportive environment for both individuals to thrive within the relationship. Resolve conflicts constructively. Resolving conflicts constructively is essential for maintaining healthy relationships. Approach disagreements with open communication and a willingness to understand the other person's perspective. Practice active listening, express your feelings calmly and assertively, and work together to find mutually beneficial solutions. By addressing conflicts with respect and empathy, you can strengthen your relationships and foster a greater sense of understanding and trust. Celebrate each other's successes. Celebrating each other's successes is essential for nurturing relationships. Take the time to acknowledge and rejoice in the achievements of loved ones, friends, and colleagues. Offer genuine congratulations, share in their joy, and express pride in their accomplishments. Celebrating successes fosters a supportive and uplifting environment, strengthening bonds and creating a culture of encouragement and positivity within relationships. Be reliable and dependable. Being reliable and dependable is essential for fostering trust and strengthening relationships. Make it a priority to keep your commitments and fulfill your obligations consistently. Be punctual for appointments and follow through on promises. Show reliability by being there for others when they need support or assistance. Cultivate a reputation for dependability, as it forms the foundation for building strong and lasting connections with others. Stay present and mindful. Staying present and mindful is essential for nurturing meaningful connections. Practice active listening and engage fully in conversations, allowing yourself to be fully present in the moment. Cultivate awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings, appreciating the richness of each interaction. By staying mindful, you deepen your connections with others, fostering empathy, understanding, and genuine intimacy in your relationships. Continuously invest in the relationship. Continuously investing in a relationship is essential for its growth and longevity. Make a conscious effort to prioritize the relationship amidst life's demands. Allocate dedicated time for meaningful interactions and shared experiences. Stay attuned to each other's evolving needs and aspirations, and adapt accordingly. Cultivate open communication, mutual respect, and ongoing support. By consistently nurturing the relationship, you lay the foundation for a strong, fulfilling connection that withstands the test of time. In conclusion, nurturing relationships involves effective communication, prioritizing quality time, practicing empathy, showing appreciation, setting boundaries, resolving conflicts constructively, celebrating successes, being reliable, staying present, and continuously investing in the relationship. This video serves as a comprehensive guide, offering detailed insights and actionable tips for individuals seeking to cultivate meaningful connections and foster healthy, fulfilling relationships. As we look into these key points, we recognize that nurturing relationships is a dynamic and ongoing process that requires effort, commitment, and genuine care to thrive. So thank you for joining with us. Have a great day.